had to share the most beautiful color of this Sindoor. Look at that. So sublime. So beautiful. Last time I told you guys how to bring tremendous auspiciousness. You should have Kanakdhara yantra, the right side of the Srimeru. This not only enhances your money luck, but just gives you very favorable experiences, very favorable experiences. Also, 2 elephants should be placed, just like that. And the 2 elephants, and I of course have a lot of other things, but remember that Kanakdhara yantra, pranpratishthit, right next to your Meru. I had to share this sublime color.